Assalamu alaikum and welcome to KS Academy. In today's lecture we are solving a rectangular steel beam in ABAQUS by creating a part, beam, extrusion, solid, then OK, then create a rectangular section. The size of the beam is 100 mm and the depth is 250. Now we extrude our solid to give a length of 1000 mm. This is our rectangular beam, cross-sectional beam. Now we give a property by clicking on property. Here you can see the property option, material, general, elasticity. Elastic property of steel is 200 GPa and the Poisson ratio is 0.3. Click on OK, then create homogeneous beam, solid homogeneous, continue, material, OK, then assign the section to the beam. After clicking on this, the section will be assigned to the beam. Now we create assembly by clicking on this independent mesh or entrance. OK. Now we create a stepper. Here you can see the step option. Initial step, we create a step 1, general, static general, continue, non-linear effect is off, incrementation, everything is same. Click on OK, output, stresses, strain, displacement, forces, reaction. I need a tensile compression, tensile damage, instead we'll use time. Some failure and plasticity model. Then OK. Then there is no interaction between other body. Here we apply a load. The first end is fixed. Now we apply a deformation, displacement, rotation at end point. Click on shift, continue, and U2 direction minus U2 direction is give up to 50 mm. Then click on OK. The direction is upward. We change this to negative. Now you can see the load displacement is applied on downward. Now we apply a mesh. By creating a mesh, click whole model, apply, increase this, to 50. The mesh will be applied. Now we click on this, automatically mesh will be applied off beam. Now you can click on this, done, 3D stresses, everything is same standard. Viscosity, kinematics, plate, etc. is same. OK, done. Then apply a job. After creating a job, fix, beam, continue. Okay, submit monitor. The file is processing. Here you can see the output damage is not available on C3DTR beam element. There is no error. The operation is continue. Now we see the results. Here you can see the stresses, deformation, reaction force. Here you can see the reaction force apply on this corner. The beam depth is very large, so that's why it's not deflect too much. Stresses, displacement, reaction force, everything you can see here. V strain, symbols of reaction force. Here you can see the symbol of reaction force, and also here you can see this is the animation video. This is the whole linear effect of fixed beam. Hope you will like this video. Please subscribe the channel.